about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make.
Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we are working on the second floor. As you can see, these rooms and this hallway is a disaster and it needs to be tackled. I've been putting it off like crazy and I think it's time. So we are going to tackle these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. The second floor of my household is one of the most difficult places to clean. And I feel like it's because my husband works from home, so his office is in the second floor. It's hard for me to bring the kids up because they are always talking nonstop, screaming nonstop. So a lot of the times I never really go in the second floor and the mess just piles up. As you can see, I have bags full of clothes because we actually use Poplin. It's a laundry service where, kind of like Uber, they pick up your laundry and bring it back the next day, nicely clean and folded. And when I do that, I find it so difficult to put the clothes away because I just throw the bags in the hallway or in the rooms and leave them there. So it was time for me to tackle those bags. I love using Poplin because laundry for little ones is one of the most annoying things. And my husband is usually the one who does laundry. He does not enjoy folding little kids' clothes. It's just so much to fold. And so with this laundry service, it helps us really kind of outsource one thing to keep our sanity. And usually they do a really good job of splitting up the clothes between kids and sizes, but my girls are starting to wear similar sizes. So sometimes I have to separate the girls' clothes from my littlest one, and that can take a little bit of time. So that's why sometimes I just don't tackle this task immediately when I should. But this was the day. This was the day that we were just going to start dividing everything and putting everything away.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
Now, my little one sleeps alone in her bedroom, so I always tend to put all of her clothes in one basket, and once I tackle the other room, that's when I put those clothes away. We also got some hand-me-downs from family members, so I'm putting away a lot of the stuff that they gave me because it's bathing suits in this IKEA bag. I really enjoy these bags for underneath the bed. They're super convenient, they look nice, and I'm able to put stuff in there like winter clothes or bathing suits, things that we just don't use all the time underneath the bed, and it looks nice. We are currently using this blow-up bed for my middle child because I'm trying to sleep train my little one. She kept waking her up in the middle of the night, and it was a rough patch that we were going through. So we usually use that blow-up when we travel, and I figured, you know what, let's just blow it up, train the little one to sleep through the night, and then we will put the girls together again in the same room because my son is going to daycare and we need to make sure that he has a full night's sleep, and that's why he has his own room. But turns out they are actually doing okay together. So we're thinking about doing a little kid's bunk bed. But we did some vacuum and you guys, that room looks so much better. So now it's time to tackle the other room. We don't have a ton of toys in the second floor because, like I said, we don't spend a lot of time up here. But the little bit of toys that we do have, when it comes time for bath time, they always pull them out. They throw them everywhere, and I'm always picking them up and putting them in these baskets. So that is the first task. And then I wanted to go ahead and also just fold their little sheets. I don't tend to do that every day because I'm so busy downstairs that when I do clean, I just like doing that. It makes the room look nice and tidy, and I don't know, it just, you know, it sets a good tone when you're cleaning.
Cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing.
One of the tasks that I do have to do, but I did not have the time, is to put away all the winter stuff. As you can see, I'm putting away a lot of pants, sweaters, and we live in Florida. It has literally been 90 degrees this week. 90. We are melting here. So those pants and those sweaters, I'm not going to use them. I need to put those in those IKEA bags and store them away, and start to also take out any clothes that don't fit my kids. So your typical spring cleaning, I have not done. As a mom of 3, sometimes those tasks are just hard to do because they take time. My husband works, we have little time throughout the week, especially right now with my kids doing swim classes. I'm training for a triathlon. It's just difficult to find the time, but it is on my to-do list. I still haven't put this away, but you know what? We're gonna leave this for another day. I think I'm gonna do a video showing you guys a haul. I got the girls a whole bunch of things because they are really running out of clothes. I recently bought my son a whole bunch of stuff, so he doesn't really need a lot, although there's like a few pieces here and there for him. But for now, I'm gonna put this aside because I really gotta tackle that hallway. That's the priority. I need to clear that up. It's almost dinner time. It's 7 o'clock. This is the one chance I have to like clean the second floor because my husband works up here. So it's hard for me to come up with the girls because they're so loud and he has meetings and whatnot. So let's tackle this. I have my earphones on. I am listening to Legend Born. It is a pretty good story so far. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. If you're into fantasy, check it out. I like it. The hallway is one of the areas in our house that we struggle to keep clean. I try every day, but I just cannot keep up with this hallway. We have these little bins that divides all the clothes, and they're just in the way. So I need to find a better way of storing our dirty clothes, especially because we do poplin. So I have to put them in bags, and I don't know, it's just in the way in this tiny hallway. I don't know, I have to put them in the room, do something. So let me know how you keep your laundry at home for your little ones, because this ain't working for us. I really despise having all this stuff here. And then on top of that, I just tend to also place any dirty dress, any little thing that I have to put away upstairs in the hallway, because once again I spend most of my time downstairs, that it starts to accumulate. I also have boxes, as you can see right there, those diaper boxes. Those are donations because the kids grow out of clothes so fast. It's just easier for me to keep a box right there and then donate it. So it's just, honestly, never a clear hallway, and one of these days, we will make it happen. The hallway is officially done, my friends. It looks good. That has to go downstairs, as well as those shoes. All right, we are officially done. Wow, that was the fastest I've ever cleaned in my life. Oh, but it needed to be done. I'll do another video with the haul for the girls' clothes. But this completes this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.